There are hundreds of examples of mainstream media doing this, reading from prepared scripts from widely known 4 a.m. drops, which is common knowledge among truthers. This is an example of the latest one. Oh my God, these people call themselves journalists?
And as the Washington Free Beacon pointed out, their new favorite talking point is that Speaker Pelosi is getting under the skin of President Trump. Take a look.
Good evening, and once again, the world is learning just how easy it is to get under the skin of the most powerful man on earth.
Nancy Pelosi clearly got under the president's skin.
Nancy Pelosi conducted a master class today in how to get under Donald Trump's skin.
Pelosi, for some reason, gets under his skin.
The speaker's really getting under the president's skin.
She's got his number, and she gets under his skin, and she knows that she's getting under his skin.
You know, I have a lot of admiration for the way that Nancy Pelosi has led this caucus, for the way that she has been able to get under Trump's skin.
The charge of a presidential cover-up landed right underneath Donald Trump's skin.
Pelosi knows how to play this game. She's a master strategist, and she knows that this kind of language is likely to get under his skin.
Seems like a script to me.
Yeah, Jason, seems like a script to me too. Want to see just what kind of master strategist Nippin' Nancy really is? Check this out.
It's a self-fulfilling prophecy. You demonize, and then we call it the wrap-up smear. If you want to talk politics, you call it the wrap-up smear. You smear somebody with falsehoods and all the rest, and then you merchandise it. And then you write it, and they'll say, see, it's reported in the press that this, and this. So they have that validation that the press reported the smear, and then it's called the wrap-up smear. Now I'm going to merchandise the press's report on the smear that we made. And it's a tactic, and it's self-evident. But I think I'm worth the trouble, quite frankly. I love the fray. I'm not disrespectful of people's views. I respect any positive things that people want to say, or even negative, as long as it's constructive.
Please subscribe to our backup channels, Whirlwind Revolt, Inglorious Patriots, and Net4Truth USA 2 Patriot channel. You can also find us at Net4Truth USA on BitChute. We fly so close to the target, we're on our 4th fighter jet. We will be relentless truth seekers until the enemies of freedom are defeated. You can support this channel by using the links in the description, but for a $100 donation, I will personally send you a autographed hardcover special edition copy of Land of Childhood's Fears. Also, visit my bookstore at lulu.com/Net4Truth USA. If you are viewing this video on BitChute, you can use the links in the description to support us, or simply click the green $ dot on our video to support this channel. Thank you. Links are in the description section.